Now, first of all, first thing you need to note down, a single line is there. I'm putting a single line. Okay, I'm putting a single line. Okay, now the upward part above the single line, then whichever number it is, it is called as numerator. What is called it as?
Numerator.
Numerator.
And जो भी number, any number which is at down, which is below the line, that is called as the number is
Denominator.
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 Any doubt till here?
No, sir.
Okay, good,
No, sir.
good. Now,
Sir, we have to write side by side.
I'm putting a line. No, you don't need to write. You don't need to write. I'll give you the questions. I'm writing question 4 by 5. Okay, and I'm writing 5 by 9. Only you need to put in the chat box which number is numerator. Numerator in question number 1.
4.
4.
You don't need to tell. And in question number 2, which number is
5.
denominator?
Sir,
Which number?
5.
Denominator.
9.
Sir,
9.
9.
9. Sure?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Any doubt? Numerator क्या होता है? Denominator क्या होता है उसमें?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Yes, sir, no doubt.
ठीक है. Should I move forward?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, there is one term that is called as proper fraction. What it's called as? Proper fraction. I'll tell you what is.
Proper fraction.
Proper fraction.
Just wait, just wait. Note down the terms. Just a minute, मुझे 1 मिनट देना.
Sir, we have to write in notebook.
No, don't write it. Only whatever sums I will give it, you need to write it. Proper fraction is there. Improper and mixed. Now, write proper, improper and mixed fraction. I'm giving you 1 minute.
I mean, sir, in notebook. Sir, we have to write in notebook. I didn't know.
Have you written fraction? Proper fraction, improper and mixed fraction?
Sir, we have to write in the notebook.
Yeah. And anyway, you can write in the notebook also. You can write in the rough page also. So first listen to my questions properly. Okay. Now, see what is proper fraction. Proper fraction. Whenever numerator, which is numerator, above the line or below the line?
Above the line.
Sir, above the
Sir,
line.
above.
Whenever
Above.
numerator is
Above
less
the line.
than the denominator. Whenever a numerator is less than the denominator, then it is called as proper fraction. For example, if I take a number 4 by 5. Now, what is numerator here?
Sir, 4.
4.
What is denominator here? 5.
Sir,
मुझे
5.
बताओ, क्या न्यूमरेटर छोटा है डिनोमिनेटर से?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
ठीक है.
Yes,
ऐसे
sir.
numbers,
Yes,
these
sir.
numbers are called as proper fraction. I'm giving you two examples. Okay, you need to verify which is the correct one. I'm writing 3 by 4 and one is 4 by 3. Tell me which number is
Sir,
Sir, 3 by 4
3
is
by 4.
proper fraction.
3 by 4.
4
by 4.
3 by 4.
okay.
By 4.
Got it? What is proper fraction?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
7 by 2 and 2 by 7. Tell me the answer.
2 by 7.
4 by 7.
2 by 7.
2 by 7.
By 2 is
Now,
improper.
2 by 7.
what is improper fraction? In this case, whenever numerator, which number?
Numerator is bigger.
Numerator is bigger than the denominator.
More or bigger
More
than
than
the
the
numerator,
denominator.
bigger than denominator, then it is called as improper. Okay, so I'm giving you example like 7 by 4. क्या मेरा न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर से बड़ा है कि नहीं है? सबसे पहले वो देखो.
Yes, sir. है.
Sir,
It's
है.
an improper
क्या
fraction.
मेरा in this case also?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
अब किसी को डाउट है what is proper and improper fraction?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No. No, sir. No,
I'm
no.
gonna ask you one question now.
Yes, sir.
चलो.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
कौन सी चीज क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इन दोनों में से कौन से नंबर्स प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन है?
Sir, 5 by 6.
5
Five
by
by
6.
5 by 6. 5 by 6.
5 by 6.
टेल
Sir,
मी
8 by 4. Sir, 8 by 4.
8 by 4.
क्वेश्चन तो सुनो. इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन.
Sir, 8 by 4.
5 by 4.
Sir, 8 by 4.
8 by 4.
एनी डाउट टिल हियर?
No,
No,
sir.
sir. I didn't
Sure.
understand improper.
ओके. किसी को कोई दिक्कत नहीं है ना?
No, sir.
A fraction, I'll tell you the definition if someone asks. Fraction is represented by two numbers. Always remember, it is represented by two numbers. One at the top and one at the
Bottom.
this is top and this is bottom. And that top part is called as numerator and bottom part is called as
Denominator.
Denominator. Top is called numerator and then bottom is called denominator.
denominator. यहाँ तक किसी को कोई डाउट है तो मुझे बताओ कि सर नहीं समझा, बताइए फिर से.
No, sir. I
Sir,
didn't
no
understand
doubts.
improper. No, sir. Improper.
चलो ओके. Now moving to the next topic. एक मैं shape ले रहा हूँ. This shape is called as what?
Sir, triangle.
Triangle.
Triangle. Triangle. Triangle.
Okay.
Sir, we have to do in this notebook.
No, I'll share this PDF. Why to do in the notebook? Only understand the topic. Then I'll give you lots of questions to solve.
Okay, sir.
See, now ये मैंने एक shape बनाया हूँ. Imagine it like a pizza. Okay, pizza तो नहीं है. लेकिन imagine करो. कितने parts है देखो. First need to identify how many total parts are there. Total number
Sir,
of
4 parts.
There are total 4 parts. 4 parts.
The 4.
There are 1 by 4. Sir,
One
there are 5.
Sir, 1 by 4.
5.
Sir, they have 1 by 4.
1 by 4.
1 by 4.
1 by 4.
Okay.
1 by 4.
Now,
1 by 4.
total parts are 4. 5 नहीं बेटा, वो figures में account होता है. जब figures की बात होगी तो हम लोग उसको 5 लेंगे. आपका सही था डाउट. लेकिन जब parts की बात हो रही है तो I'm saying that about the particular part. Now, कितने parts shaded है उसमें?
Sir,
1.
1 part is shaded.
4.
1.
1
part is shaded.
Number of shaded part? Number of shaded part.
One.
So tell me the fraction.
1 by 4.
1 by 4.
1 by 4. 1 by 4.
1 by 4. 1 by 4. 1 by 4.
Good. Should I give you one more question? अभी समझा किसी को कोई डाउट?
No, sir.
No, sir, no doubt.
ठीक है, मैं क्वेश्चन पूछूं, आपको रेडी हो?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
चलो ठीक है, रेडी हो जाओ. Tell me the shaded part.
Sir,
3 by 4.
3
3 by 4.
3 parts are shaded.
3 by 4. 3 by 4. 3 4.
Sir, 3 by 4.
3 by 4.
3
अच्छा
parts are shaded and 3 by 4 is the fraction.
Sir, 3 by
इसमें
1 by 4. 1
1 by 4.
1 by 2.
1 by 2.
By 2. 1 by 2.
का कोई डाउट यहाँ पे आपको?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Very clear.
कोई डाउट नहीं है ना आता कभी?
No, sir. Nothing.
No, sir.
It's not 1 by 2.
या बेटा?
Sir, we can't say 1 by 2.
अच्छा ओके.
We can't say
Sir,
2 by
that was not 1 by 2.
This one.
Sir, it was 1 by 2.
This is 1 by 2 ना?
But
Yes, sir.
but sir, it doesn't
Yes,
have
sir.
equal
It's 1 by 2 or half.
ओके. I'll tell you ये क्वेश्चन गलत था. जिस बच्चे ने बोला ना सर ये 1 by 2 नहीं है, उसका रीजन क्या है? मैं उसी टॉपिक पे आ रहा था अभी.
Sir, because it's not divided in 2 parts equally.
It's not divided. Not equal.
Yeah, very good.
They are not equal.
Yeah, good point. ये मैं
Because they are not
this was the next topic what we had to study. Okay. Now the given figure is of triangle. Given figure किस शेप का है हमारा वो?
Triangle.
Angle.
कभी भी अगर मुझे डिवाइड करना है, ठीक है, हमें फ्रैक्शंस बनाना है. फॉर मेकिंग फ्रैक्शंस द फिगर शुड बी डिवाइडेड इनटू इक्वल पार्ट्स. फिगर शुड बी डिवाइडेड इनटू इक्वल पार्ट्स. ये फर्स्ट पॉइंट है. यहाँ तक क्लियर है क्या?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, clear.
सवाल है. आई एम हैविंग वन क्वेश्चन. सी I have given you the triangle. मैंने जानबूझ के 4 बार पूछा, सबने बोला 1 by 2 1 by 2 1 by 2. अगला ओके ओके. I was just waiting for the answer. ये जो डायग्राम है देखो, ये वाला पार्ट का एरिया देखो एंड ये जो मैं रेड में जो ब्लू पेन से कर रहा हूँ उसका एरिया देखो. क्या दोनों का एरिया सेम होगा? क्या दोनों इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइडेड है क्या?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
सो इसका कोई फ्रैक्शन निकल सकता है क्या?
No, sir.
No, sir.
तो एग्जाम में पूछेगा व्हाई वी कैन नॉट डू. अगर
Because it doesn't
ये तो
have
फिगर
It is not equal divided in equal part.
Sir, because they are unequal.
ये शुड बी डिवाइडेड इनटू इक्वल पार्ट्स. यहाँ तक कोई डाउट?
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
Sir.
ओके. मैं न्यू टॉपिक पढ़ा रहा हूँ. रेडी?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
अब सुनो.
Yes,
मैं
sir.
धीरे धीरे I'll teach you everything in a great way, in a more positive way, ताकि पूरे साल भर जिंदगी भर याद रहे आपको. सी फर्स्ट थिंग, एक नंबर आता है ऐसे 3 2 by 6 4.
Sir, it is a mixed fraction.
Sir, it's a mixed fraction. It is called integer 2 by 6.
Now this numbers, whenever there is a number, whole number and a proper fraction you can say, or a improper fraction you can say. जब भी होल नंबर फ्रैक्शंस जो फ्रैक्शंस आते हैं मिक्स होके, तो इसको ऐसे टर्म्स को हम लोग बोलते हैं मिक्स फ्रैक्शन. डेफिनेशन क्लियर हुआ क्या पहले?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. स्टेप नंबर 1.
Can you write the definition?
Yeah, I'll give you. Okay. Number in the form of fraction plus a whole number. Okay. Read. Akshara, clear बेटा? Nutan.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Number 1.
Yes, sir.
सबसे पहले ये दो नंबर्स को जोड़ना है. It is 3 into 6. Multiply them.
Sir, 12.
Yeah. 3 6 are
12.
Sir, 18, 18, 18.
18. 18.
18.
18 plus.
perfect. Good.
Sir, the answer is 20.
Just wait.
Sir,
Just
we have
wait. Just
to-
wait. Complete the step
plus
number 1 here. Complete the step number 1 here.
4 into 3, 12. 3 into 4.
3 and 4.
12.
Step number 1 here.
12.
3, 12.
4 into 3, 12.
बेटा स्टेप नंबर 1 समझने में किसी को प्रॉब्लम हुई? एनी डाउट टिल हियर?
No, sir.
Sir.
स्टेप नंबर 2.
Sir,
यस बेटा.
sir, there was
18
18 plus
plus 2.
2.
We will,
Just
sir,
wait.
we will
18
add
plus
the
20.
the sum we
Wait.
get to the numerator.
18 plus 2.
We'll add the sum we get to the numerator.
Yeah. Who was having the doubt?
there was some network issue and I could not join my class. So can you share all these things on
Yeah.
Adapt?
Yeah, समीक्षा. Now step number 2 क्या करना है, इसके बाद ये नंबर पे जाना है. So it will be 18 plus 2. That is the term, but that will be
20.
20.
20.
Step number 2 here, it will be 12 plus
5.
17.
12 plus
Sir, 14. 14.
14. अब मुझे बताओ किसी को डाउट है क्या बेटा? Any doubt till here?
No, sir.
Should I give one question to you?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
हाँ.
सर आपने अभी जो ये सिखाया वो आप एनटैप पे अपलोड करेंगे तो हम लोगों को लिखना है क्या ये सब?
बेटा I'll tell you क्या लिखना है क्या नहीं लिखना है. ये आपको मैं PDF शेयर कर दूंगा, आप आपके पास रखना. I'll tell you क्या लिखना है क्या नहीं लिखना है. ठीक है?
okay.
So 19.
Sir,
Yeah.
19.
19 by 5.
Okay, solve it.
Sir, 19 by 5.
5.
Sir,
So
first
step
we
one
have
will
to
be
multiply 3 by 5. Then the step 2 is
5. It will be 15 and add 4.
15. Then we'll be adding 15 plus 4. So it will be 19.
19.
So the answer is 19 by
Very
5.
good. Very good. Very good. Any good? Any question till here बेटा?
No question, sir.
No, sir.
मैं आगे पढ़ाऊँ?
No, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
कोई बोल रहा
Yes,
नहीं?
sir.
हाँ ठीक है. Okay, देखो मैंने सब I told you about proper, then improper, then mixed fraction, then I told you about this. Okay, reciprocal. Reciprocal एक term है. What is that term called?
Reciprocal.
Reciprocal.
Reciprocal means what? See, अगर मैं सीधा खड़ा हूँ तो मुझे उल्टा कर दो. अगर मैं उल्टा खड़ा हूँ तो मुझे सीधा कर दो. ठीक है, इसका मतलब यही होता है. If a number is there, any number is there, 7 by 8. क्या नंबर है?
7 by 8.
7 by
7 by 8.
And it will be 8 by 7.
8 by 7.
When we
8 by 7.
reciprocal, it will be 8 by 7.
If there any number like this, 3 by 4, इसका reciprocal क्या होगा?
4
Sir,
by
4 by 3.
4 by 3.
4 by 3.
Minus
by
6 by 8. Minus 6 by 8.
8 by minus 6. 8 by minus 6. Minus 2 by minus 7.
Minus 7.
Minus 7 by minus 2.
3 by 5.
3 by 5. 3 by 5.
3 by 5. Doubt clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
I can't see your screen.
Yes, beta. Naman?
Sir, I can't see your screen.
बाकी
Sir,
लोग
but we can see the screen. Sir, but we can see the screen.
But we can see the screen.
बेटा
Sir, we can see the screen.
don't worry Naman, don't worry, no need to worry about it. मैंने क्या किया, मैंने उसको रिकॉर्ड करके रखा. you'll get it. Okay,
Okay, sir.
remember
Okay,
one
sir.
thing. If fraction, they ask you, fraction came from the word fractious. Fractious, fracture पता है? fracture मतलब क्या होता है? bones crack होना.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Correct.
इसका मतलब भी सेम होता है, broken. इसका मतलब भी क्या होता है?
Broken.
Means part of a whole thing is broken into some of the other parts. That is called as fraction. 6 by 7 or 3 by 5 or like 3 by 4. यहाँ तक किसी को डाउट है?
No, sir.
Okay. One more thing. देखो, I'm telling you the one more thing, one more topic. I'm moving to a new topic. Ready for it?
Yes, sir.
First,
Yes,
understand.
sir.
Yes, sir.
If a number is there, 6 by 2 plus 4 by 2. ठीक
Sir,
है?
the answer will be 10 by 2.
10 by 2.
By
Sir, answer will be 10 by 2.
denominators are same. So we
10
have
by
to
2.
add the
10
numerators.
by 2.
Just wait बेटा, just wait. सबसे पहले आपको क्या करना है कि डिनोमिनेटर चेक करना है. क्या चेक करना है आपको?
Denominator.
Denominator.
डिनोमिनेटर दोनों के सेम है क्या? अगर डिनोमिनेटर सेम है, no need to worry. You need to write like this: 6 plus 4 upon 2. That will be 10 by 2. ये क्लियर है क्या यहाँ तक फर्स्ट स्टेप?
Yes, sir.
If it is
Sir, it's the improper fraction.
4, 8 by 4 plus 5 by 4. Are the denominators same?
Yes, sir.
So
So
we
it will
can
be 8 plus 5 by 4. That will be 13.
by 4.
13 by 4.
13 by 4.
13 by
13 by 4.
Clear बेटा यहाँ तक?
4.
Yes,
But
sir.
if denominator is different, if denominator is different, I'll tell you a trick.
So we have to multiply.
Yeah, just wait. If it comes like 8 by 4 plus 3 by 2. 8 by 4 plus 3 by 2. Now, different techniques are there. I'll teach you the easiest. Do you have any problem in calculation multiplication?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Step 1.
No, sir.
What you need to do? See, note it down. Multiply the number opposite to that. Means 2 into 8 plus 3 into 4. First step noted.
Yes, sir.
Cross multiplication 2 into 8, 3 into 4.
16
Upon,
and 12.
upon. इन दोनों को भी multiply कर दो. 4 into 2. ठीक है. Step number 2. क्या होगा इनका multiplication 2 8 जा?
Sir, 2 and 8, 16. 3 and 4,
Plus
12.
12 by 8.
And 8.
Then you need to add in the step number 3. That will be 28 upon 8. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No worries.
No, sir.
I'll do it again. I know
No,
it's
sir.
tough.
Sir,
Okay.
sir,
3 by 2
Further fraction.
sir, it can be simplest form.
Yeah.
28 by 8.
Sir, can you tell the step 2 of solving this?
Tell you. We'll tell you. Step number 1. पहले क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन करो. 5 किसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई होगा मुझे बताओ.
So 15. 5 3s are 15.
3.
4 किसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई होगा.
4 2s are 16. 2.
And divided by 5 and
Multiply by 5.
2 into 5.
2 5.
Now second step. See, जो एडिशन है, एडिशन के पहले ये वाला जो पार्ट है, इसको मल्टीप्लाई करो. कितना आएगा? 5 3s are
So 5 3s are 15. And 4 2s are
Plus 4 2s are 8.
8.
8. नीचे में कितना आएगा? 2 5.
10.
5
10.
2s are 10.
Now third step. Add it. Add both the numbers.
23.
Sir, 23.
23.
23
by 10.
23 by
कोई
10.
डाउट बेटा? कोई डाउट?
No, sir.
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 Sir, please tell the other second easiest method for doing this.
नमन, it is the one of the easiest. फिर आपको LCM निकालना पड़ेगा. LCM पता है आपको?
So we can also find the LCM of the
Yes,
two
sir.
numbers, numerator and denominator.
LCM method.
Yeah, LCM is also easy. What do you want? Naman, this is the easiest method. You'll not have lots of
Sir,
problems.
this is the easiest method.
Also, I was saying that Siddhant was saying that this isn't the easy method.
Okay, no issue. Now, ये इसमें ऑपरेशन क्या था? एडिशन का ऑपरेशन था. Now you tell me, अगर same it is goes for subtraction also. Okay, same for the subtraction. What you need to do in the step number 1? 4 किससे multiply होगा?
3
3.
and
One
2
किससे
will be
multiply
with
होगा?
1.
1.
नीचे में कितना
By
है?
2. 2 multiply by 4.
2.
थर्ड स्टेप में, सेकंड स्टेप में क्या करना है?
3s
दोनों
are
को
12. 1s are 2.
So 12 minus 2.
8. That will be 10 by 8. मैं simplest फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट नहीं कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि I'll explain the topic. Any doubt till here बेटा मल्टीप्लिकेशन सब्ट्रैक्शन एडिशन में?
No, sir.
No,
Yes, sir.
चलो अभी टॉपिक जो है मल्टीप्लिकेशन टॉपिक है. ओके, नाउ 3 by 4 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 2 by 6. कुछ नहीं करना है आपको डायरेक्ट मल्टीप्लाई कर देना है. कितना होगा? 3 2s are
3 2s are 6. 6 4s are
16. Sorry,
ठीक है.
24.
डायरेक्ट मल्टीप्लाई करना है. If I tell you 2 into 4 and 3 by 3 into like 8. 2 4s are
4 2s are 8. And 8 3s are
8 by 24.
24. किसी को डाउट है यहाँ तक? Any doubt till here?
No, sir. No, sir.
Sure. I'm giving you a question. Minus 3 by 4 multiply by 5 by 2.
minus 15 by 8. Minus 15 by 8.
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड बेटा। क्लियर है क्या?
Yes, sir.
किसी को डाउट है तो मुझे
Didn't
बताओ।
understand.
Sir, no doubt. No doubt, sir.
Who didn't understand? किसको नहीं समझा वो?
Sir, I didn't.
मनिका, सी बेटा, एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन समझा आपको? ओके, डिवीजन मल्टीप्लिकेशन में व्हाट if they are giving you two numbers, okay, and 5 into 2. मणिकर्णिका, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
बेटा डायरेक्टली ऐसे मल्टीप्लाई कर देना जो सामने नंबर दिख रहा है, 2 into 5 and 4 into 2. ठीक है मणिकर्णिका?
Yes, sir.
2 5s are 10 and 4 2s are 8. सिर्फ मल्टीप्लिकेशन में होता है ये ऐसा। यहाँ तक क्लियर है बेटा? अभी
Yes, sir.
आगे का पढ़ाओ।
Yes, sir.
सी,
Yes.
इसको स्टार मार्क करके रखो। आपको
Yes,
लिखना है
sir.
तो ये लिख दो, आपको लिखना है तो लिख दो, क्योंकि डिवीजन इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट।
Sir, means first method is also same as this only. Answer will
No.
be same.
नो 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 नो, एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन अलग है बेटा। एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन में हमें क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना है, स्टेप नंबर 1 2 and 3। सिर्फ मल्टीप्लिकेशन में डायरेक्ट मल्टीप्लाई करना है। क्लियर?
Sir, then answer will be same only.
नहीं ना बेटा, अलग अलग आएगा ना, आप ऐसे डायरेक्ट नहीं कर सकते ना।
Okay, sir.
Division. Now see, listen, first step, I'm giving you the question. 3 by 4 divided by 9 by 12. Yes, मैंने डिवीजन दे दिया। स्टेप नंबर 1, फर्स्ट स्टेप, नोट इट डाउन। ये जो डिवीजन है ना, इस डिवीजन का उल्टा होता है मल्टीप्लिकेशन। क्या होता है बेटा?
Multiplication.
Multiplication.
स्टेप नंबर 1 में क्या करोगे? मल्टीप्लिकेशन साइन सिंबल डालोगे। स्टेप नंबर 1 समझा?
Yes, sir.
स्टेप नंबर 2, इस नंबर का
Yes,
रेसिप्रोकल
sir.
9 by 12 का रेसिप्रोकल क्या होगा?
12 by 9.
12 by 9.
Sir, 12 by 9.
रेसिप्रोकल
9.
उसको उल्टा लिखना। स्टेप नंबर 1 समझा? स्टेप नंबर 1 में 3 by 4 लिखना है। स्टेप नंबर 2 में सिंबल चेंज करना है, मल्टीप्लिकेशन, एंड थर्ड स्टेप में उसका उल्टा करना है। यहाँ तक किसी को डाउट?
No, sir.
अब आपको पता है क्या करना है मल्टीप्लिकेशन में? 3 into
3
36.
into 12 and 4 into
6.
4 into 9 equals to 36 by 36.
Sir,
Okay,
36 by 36.
should I do one more question?
36 by
Should I do one more question for you?
Yes, sir.
You'll tell me the answer, okay? Sorry. चलो फर्स्ट स्टेप नंबर 1 में सबसे पहले क्या लिखूं मैं?
5 by 10.
5 by 10.
5 by 10.
And multiply.
5 by 10
Second step.
multiplied by 20 by 10.
Sir, then we have to
20 by 10.
reciprocal
20 by 10.
20 by 10.
20 by 10.
Now fourth step, 5 into
Sir, 25
20.
and
And 10 in
10 tens are
that is 100 by 100.
100 by 100.
Any doubt till here बेटा? ऐसा कोई जिसको नहीं समझा, सर मेरे को नहीं समझा, कोई
Sir,
प्रॉब्लम?
means one whole.
हाँ बेटा बोलो।
Sir, means that the answer is 100 by 100 means one whole.
या अच्छा, आप लोग ये क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर सकते खुद से?
Excuse
Yes,
me,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Excuse me, sir.
One more thing, या बेटा?
Sir, I'm not getting little bit. So, will you put the recording on end tab so
या
I can repeat it?
यस। सी,
Okay, sir.
अगर ऐसा कोई क्वेश्चन आता है 2 minus 3 by 5, assume it, इसके नीचे क्या है? 1 है। क्या है बेटा?
1.
सो वो क्या होगा? 2
One.
into 5 minus 3 into
1.
minus 1 into 3 upon 5. कोई डाउट यहाँ तक?
No, sir.
यहाँ पे भी क्या होगा? 4 के नीचे में कोई नंबर होगा, क्या होगा? कुछ नहीं है तो
1.
1.
1।
So 1.
खुद से कर सकते हैं आप लोग?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
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 मुझे बताओ, इस क्वेश्चन को पहले आप कैसे कन्वर्ट करोगे? इसको नॉर्मल फॉर्म में ला सकते हैं क्या दोनों को खुद से?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
First we have
3 multiplied by 2
multiply 3
and
by
then
2
the answer
and
will
then
be
will
added by 2.
plus 2.
ओके, अब सर मेरा एक डाउट है कि मुझे अगर क्या करना है, अगर ऐसे 3 नंबर्स मिल गए 3 नंबर्स मिल गए तो क्या करना है? सबसे पहले क्या
So
करना,
So
7
first
by
two
10
I'll be adding.
फर्स्ट 7 by 10 प्लस 2 by 5 को सॉल्व करो. इसका जो भी आंसर आएगा फिर उसको किसके साथ ऐड करना?
So
3
we
by
can also take out the
3 by
LCM.
2.
yeah, you can do also the
So
LCM
means
method.
cross multiplication.
Cross multiplication method also you can do and LCM method you can also do. Any doubt, beta?
No, sir.
Read. I'm not able to hear you, Read. Yeah, Manikarnika?
We have to solve this exercise in the notebook.
Yeah, you put the heading, you put the chapter heading, and you need to start this. You need to solve it. Okay? First, see, you need to solve this part. Exercise number 1. Till diya. यहाँ तक
Excuse
solve.
me, sir.
Yes, beta.
Can you put this class recording on Entap?
Yeah, definitely. Okay. Thank you. Enjoyed the class. Put me a thumbs up.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Read any issues?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay.
No, sir.
Now just you remember questions exam में ना बहुत difficult आते हैं. Questions मैं बताऊंगा -4 by
So I
3.
can solve this chapter. Oh.
What you said?
I have solved this chapter before whole.
Wow, great. I will give you a gold medal to you. Don't worry.
This chapter.
And 50 lakhs plus cash.
Sir, me too.
Okay, jokes apart. Do your homework. And I have just shared. Did I share the mail ID with you?
No, sir.
No,
You
sir.
didn't.
No, sir.
Sir.
Okay,
No,
note
sir.
it down. BVM Maths. I'm writing in the chat box. BVM Maths.
Yes, sir.
6th, 7th C, no, it is. Yeah. 7th C @gmail.com. See how I have given you in the chat box. It is like in the same. BVM Maths 7th C. See in the chat box. That is 5. That is V. After maths, it is V I triple I @gmail.com. Okay. Siddhant, Dhaval, Anjali.
Sir, it's 8.
Acha, sorry. Put only 2I. BVM Maths. Done. And those who have not responded to my message, please respond. Please ask your parents to fill up that details and you need to send it to me. And just share this email ID with your friends also, okay? If it's possible, just share it with your friends also. Thank you. Have a great day, beta. Bye-bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
You can leave the class.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.